Hey, it's Mr. Alcazaran here, and I am here to help you out with your DBQ. This DBQ is on the Second Amendment. Does the Second Amendment allow for gun control? If you have versions A or D, this is the video for you. Your task is this. Using at least 4 out of the 7 documents, provide 2 reasons to explain whether the government has a right to pass gun control legislation, or if citizens have a right to bear arms with a few exceptions. This is going to be a 4-paragraph essay. The first paragraph will be your introduction. This is where you're going to lean on the first page of your handout and take a look at the historical background plus your background knowledge. Like each paragraph, it's going to be at least 5 to 8 sentences. So in this paragraph, you're going to try to figure out who wrote the Bill of Rights, what were some of the rights protected, obviously include the Second Amendment, where was it created, when was it created, and then why have guns/gun control been appearing more frequently in the news? The last sentence, and remember this must be your last sentence, must be your thesis statement, and it has to directly answer the task in 1 sentence. Remember, I also have a video for this that you could take a look at if you forgot how to make your thesis statement. The first body paragraph, again, is going to be 5 to 8 sentences. The first part is your topic sentence, and it's your first major reason, either for or against it. The second part is the evidence that supports this. Make sure to include in here information from the documents. You want to make sure that you're paraphrasing and that you're also doing some direct quotes as well. A good mix will get you a good grade. The last part is a transition sentence, which helps this paragraph connect with your second reason. The second body paragraph, again, is at least 5 to 8 sentences. You start out with your topic sentence, and that's your second major reason. Again, the second part is your evidence. Again, use a good mix of paraphrasing and direct quotes. Remember, you also have to use at least 4 out of the 7 documents. And then the last part is a closing sentence for this paragraph. It also acts as a bridge between this paragraph and your conclusion. The last piece, this is your conclusion. This is your last chance to make an impression with your reader. Please make sure that you have at least 5 to 8 sentences. If you're confused, take a look at the example paragraphs from our last DBQ, or you can talk with me. The first sentence is a restatement of your thesis statement. That means it has to be slightly different. The gist is there, but it's new. The second sentence summarizes the major evidence supporting the first major reason. The third sentence summarizes the major evidence supporting the second major reason. Remember, you still need to include 5 to 8 sentences. So the last part, there's some freedom. I've given you a couple bullet points that you can work with, or you can go off in a different direction. So for example, you could talk about other countries and how they've approached guns/gun control. For example, you could take a look at Canada. Australia has a really interesting example as well. Another direction that you can go is talking about future Supreme Court cases and how they may affect guns/gun control. I know you guys can do this. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or talk with me. Thank you.